This is the third part on how to model this kitbash. Let's continue modeling some other mechanical pieces in order to join them to this mechanical kitbash. As shown here, we have applied subdivision surface modifier shown in our tutorial, and you can see this shape with clean and uniform topology. So let's continue modeling and using loop tools in order to relax some vertices and make a uniform distribution of the faces for this mechanical kitbash. So let's jump into it. As shown here, I have selected all those vertices as shown here. Then click on the right mouse button, go over loop tools, select relax to relax some vertices and make a good edge flow. So let's go back to switch like this, then control 3 for the opposite view as shown here. So let's select, I'm gonna be selecting these two vertices, so X to dissolve some vertices. I want to join these two vertices, select them, hit G to join them. Also do it for these two vertices, hit G to join them. I'm gonna be selecting all these vertices, hold down Control, hold down Shift, select this vertex and go over this vertex, hold down Control, then select. In order to select all those vertices as shown here, click on the right mouse button, go over loop tools, then I'm going to use the relax. Click on relax, then go over to bottom. Over here we have the interpolation is cubic, just I'm gonna be using cubic. Number of iterations, I think 3 or something like that. Should be regular. Then as shown here, I'm going to select so just I'm gonna be using select box, hold down Shift, select all these vertices, so hit GG twice to move them closer to this hole as shown here. I think it's not bad. So just I'm gonna be adding a loop cut closer to this edge and trying to drag it much more closer. So select this vertex, go over here, hold on Control. So let's select, because the alt doesn't work with me. Control. Just like this, select this loop cut, then hit G twice, then hold down Shift and drag much more closer to this edge, just like this. I think it's not bad. So A to select all, then Shift and to calculate normals, M to merge by distance, and we have no issues. So just let's turn on subdivision surface modifier. So let's see what we have. Switch to matcap, this reflective matcap shown here. I think I have no problem with topology issues. I think it's not bad. As you can see here, when applying subdivision surface modifier, we have at this corner some issues. Is gonna this vertex is going up a little bit, this vertex is going down just a little bit. Then I want to use a knife tool, just like this, using the knife tool. Also use a knife tool to cut and connect these two vertices as shown here. So let's see what we have when applying subdivision surface modifier. I think it's not bad, and it's perfectly circular as shown here. You can see no issues. Let's join these vertices as shown here. Select these two vertices, hit G to join them. Also do it for these two vertices to join them, because we have some congestion and some vertices going to change their essential area. GG and to move it up just a tiny bit. Also hit G twice and move it up. I'm going to add the loop cut, two loop cuts and the cut to join some vertices, and to make a loop cut I'm going to slide it in just a bit in order to make it make this hole, this edge, much more sharper, to add more detail. So Control R like this. Control R, also add another loop cut. Over here I'm gonna be using the knife tool to cut, draw this section. I'm gonna be using also the knife tool. Hit G twice and move it just a little bit, and just slide it a little bit like this. Select the vertex, hold down Control. I'm going to select all this loop cut over here, then hit G twice, E and or F. I'm gonna be using E, I think, yes. So drag it just closer to this edge for the hole to make it much more sharper. So let's see what we have when applying subdivision surface modifier. I think it's not bad. To select everything, Shift Enter, calculate normals, M to merge by distance. Tab into object mode. I think it's not bad and perfectly circular. Switch to reflective madcap like this. And let's see what we have. It's not bad as shown here, our tutorial. And that's it for this piece. The other piece I'm gonna be modeling it in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.